How to use animation in Drawtify? First, convert the text to a path, fill it with color, and adjust the position. Then, select the appropriate icon from the icon library, fill the color and adjust the position. Then, copy the shape and use the stroke effect to get a new shape. Then, duplicate the shape again and use the path pen to get the path and fill the color and adjust the position. Then, select the object and click the animation button to add an action. Here, you only need to pay attention to the time attributes of the action, such as start time, action time, number of cycles, and interval time, to achieve the action you want. Finally, you will get amazing animations, get your visual story into focus.